Let's explore database administration, focusing on users and role management. We'll cover creating users and managing access control with MongoDB roles. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to secure database access control effectively. Let's begin with an overview of MongoDB authentication, which primarily revolves around two key concepts: users and roles. Users are individual accounts that must authenticate to access the database. They use specific credentials to verify their identity. Roles are collections of privileges. These privileges define what actions users can perform on various resources within the database. MongoDB provides several built-in database roles to simplify access management. The read role allows users to read data from all non-system collections. The readWrite role enables users to both read and write data to all non-system collections. The dbAdmin role grants permissions for administrative tasks, such as indexing and schema validation. Lastly, the dbOwner role provides full administrative access to the database. To create a database user in MongoDB, you can use the db.createUser method. Here's an example: db.createUser, open parenthesis, open curly brace, user colon, app user, comma, pwd colon, secure password 123, comma, roles colon, open square bracket, open curly brace, role colon, readWrite, comma, db colon, my database, close curly brace, close square bracket, close curly brace, close parenthesis. This command creates a new user named AppUser with the password secure password 123 and assigns the readWrite role on the My Database database. MongoDB offers several commands for managing users. To view all users in the current database, use db.getUsers. To modify an existing user's properties, use db.updateUser. To grant additional roles to a user, use db.grantRoles to user. Finally, to delete a user from the database, use db.dropUser. In addition to the built-in roles, MongoDB allows you to create custom roles tailored to your specific needs. You can use the db.createRole method to define these roles. For example, db.createRole, open parenthesis, open curly brace, role colon, data analyst, comma, privileges colon, open square bracket, open curly brace, resource colon, open curly brace, db colon, analytics, comma, collection colon, double quotes, close curly brace, comma, actions colon, open square bracket, find comma, list indexes, close square bracket, close curly brace, close square bracket, comma, roles colon, open square bracket, close curly brace, close parenthesis. This code creates a role named Data Analyst with privileges to find and list indexes on the analytics database. MongoDB provides commands for managing custom roles. To view all custom roles in the database, use db.getRoles. To modify a role's privileges and inheritance, use db.updateRole. To delete a custom role from the database, use db.dropRole. To maintain a secure MongoDB environment, consider these best practices. Apply the principle of least privilege by granting users only the minimum permissions necessary for their tasks. Enforce strong passwords and regular password rotation policies. Regularly monitor user activities and review role assignments through audits. Implement role separation by using specific roles for different functions instead of broad permissions. By following these practices, you can secure MongoDB through proper user and role management. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.